Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy. So this morning, futures are down about 50 points right now. Let's see, got about a minute till opening bell. Going to remain patient, disciplined today, and look for some trade setups. Dow's now up about 100 points in the pre-market.
Says the Trump administration is not looking to cut Social Security benefits.
Going to share the screen now. Good morning, X-Run Taylor, Nickerson. Good morning, team. Let's make some more money today. Here we go, opening bell here.
KSS, Coal CEO regarding the coronavirus says we are working closely with our vendors to manage any disruption to our supply chain.
Going to be watching Gilead today.
Gross margins to fall, sees earnings per share of 40 cents. That's KSS Coal.
Let's see. Let me see if I want to sell these SPY calls we got yesterday in the afternoon session. Those of you that aren't with us in the afternoon session, we picked up some SPY calls before. Let's see. Sell to close. I'm going to lock in the profits on these.
In Riverdale and the Bronx area.
I'll get rid of those. Lock in the profits on that. Just locked in profits on SPY here. All right, let me show you the profits on that thing quick. Alrighty, first minute of the day, not even 1 minute into the day, up $475.81. We locked in the profit on SPY calls that we got yesterday in the live trading video on the website for the professional traders. So just locked in that profit on SPY. Now let me see what I'm going to do next here. Alrighty, Visa's not doing too much just yet. Let me take a look at Visa. I'd love to catch Visa on the run. That's pulling back a little bit. See, what I was worried about is, are we getting up to that 10 now and going to fail? And that's what I personally think is going to happen. That's why I'm holding back a little bit on the trades. Good morning, Mike. Oh, let's see now. Groupon. Oracle. Gold. And let's see what we got on our watch list here we could put up. Some consolidation on Gilead today. Let's see. Justice Dion says thoughts on Tesla. Well, it got up to that 1020. It's failing right now, so wouldn't do anything to it just yet.
Pacific ethanol popping to the high on volume, up echoing via X-ray.
Trying to decide if I want to make another trade on Visa or add to my current position. We currently have 5 contracts of the Visa March 6 192.50 call. I don't like Tesla, Marla. I don't like how it got up to that 1020, and as of right now it's failing. It's at near the lows of the day here, so I would not do anything with Tesla yet.
Governor Cuomo says,
but if it comes down to that 10 on the minute chart today, if it comes down to that 10, gets that bounce off of it, that might be a good opportunity there. Disney wants to head lower here. That was at 121 in the pre-market, wasn't it? It got up to 121 in the pre-market, Disney did. Looks like it's failing now, heading lower near the lows of the day. So I'm just going to sit back, watch, and relax here. Look for that next good trade setup. Good morning, Karen. Good morning, Marco, Jojo, Mike, Jorge, Justice.
PEIX continuing to spike here, 58.59 cents.
Just watching the markets here. I was thinking about that APDN. I'm down about $600 on it now. And see if I want to take in the loss on that yet. APDN. That's a small trade we got there. Some shares we picked up. Not doing too much today. Let's see, what else is getting a pop today? AMD. Delta was up $2. Now it's only up 65 cents, 60 cents. Market's continuing to pull back here, guys. Yeah, guys, please click the like button on the video, please. I'd appreciate that. Like it and share it on YouTube. Share it on social media. Share it on YouTube. You can tell I didn't have my coffee today. Tesla, Marla asked about Tesla in the trade room. Now take a look. I said watch it come down to that 10 and possibly bounce here. And that's what we're doing right now. That 10-day SMA, simple moving average, is acting as support. And as of right now, it's climbing. So you guys know all about our trade plan. I got videos on it. I do classes on it. Now what we have to do is wait for confirmation. And see, now that's not a bad idea to jump into a call on Tesla now for a quick day trade, swing trade. You know, if it holds that 10 right there. Let's take a look, see what they're going for. Wow, they are insanely expensive. Insanely expensive. I'd stay away from that. It's going to cost you about $3,000 for a single contract. And they're very pricey. That APDN is on the run now. Only down 400 on it. Let's see what else is on the move here. AMD up 81 cents. Bank of America down another 2% today. JP Morgan down 2.5%. Let's take a look at Square quick here. What are we going to do with our Square trade? There goes Tesla off that 10 again. I like Square. It just needs some time there. I'm going to hold on to Square. Let's take a look at Visa. Visa looks like it really wants to head lower. See where it ends, though. You know, we're only 8 minutes into the day here, so patience and discipline are extremely important. He said Gilead is holding support well. That's definitely in BDM today, though.
69 cents now on Pacific Ethanol.
Up to the 10, failed, heading lower. Our Gilead trade is for March 6th Expo. We have that spread open. Still like that. Not going to do anything with it yet.
currency.
There goes Tesla again, about a 8-point climb from that SMA. I would have jumped in, but pretty expensive there. Almost $30 for the 780 strikes. Good morning, Efron. Efron, I got your messages this morning. I'm probably going to call you today around lunch. A lot of things happening this morning. See Facebook near the lows again, too. Michael Cocaine says, Dave, can you look at PG? Sure thing. How do you say that name, Michael? Cocaine? I don't like PG. Looks like it's going to fail and head lower there, Procter and Gamble.
Says they're also limiting the number of OPEC and non-OPEC delegates at the OPEC Secretariat to a bare minimum.
I know what you're saying, though, and what you're thinking with PG. People are going to be stockpiling on those things. You just got to keep an eye on it, Michael, you know? If you see that break above... If you see PG break above 120, let me know, and we can take a look at it. I gotta call the both of you guys. I had family here the past week. Muhammad says, let's take a look at WWE. There goes Tesla again. WWE's not looking bad there, Muhammad. But the thing is, like I said, they make a lot of their money on the live events there. And I don't think many people are going to be going to that right now. I think that's a good long-term trade, though. If you want to pick up some shares, if you want to pick up in-the-money vertical spread for, you know, a month out, maybe 2 months out, 6 months out. Fresh and Healthy Meals says HD. Let's take a look at HD. Look at Tesla still on the run there, Gabe. That'd be a nice one for you to enter. Trade right up to 805. You got another 13-point climb possible there. There she goes. And that's where I'd take profits if you're doing a day trade. And that'd be a quick 30%er. Yeah, Bob made $5,000 yesterday on Gilead. Did you sell it, Bob? Or are you still holding on to it? There goes Tesla again. Chevin95 there. Chevin. Where is Chevin? We have a member named Chevin.
G-O-R-E, green light, green.
Let's see here. Groupon, gold. And Disney, we're up $150 today. 7% on the Disney puts. Disney's heading lower. Now, see what I mean about BDM? See how when you have the consecutive candles here lower than the previous candle's body, and then what happens here? Okay, what happens here, you opened lower, you dropped down, but by the end of the day, you rebounded right here. And what happened then? The next day you started to climb. Today we climbed, but we're still pulling back here because of the conditions in the market. So that's why I always tell you guys, you might, when you're in BDM, breakdown momentum, you're going to drop, but then there's going to be a point where you come down to support and you're going to retrace back up to the SMA before falling lower again. And that's so simple with BDM and bomb cycles and phases. The breakout momentum or the bomb cycle and phase, and the BDM breakdown momentum cycle and phase. And if you know our trade plan, it's really easy to trade these moves here. So if you guys need classes, let me know. If you guys want, yesterday we had the PM trading session. We got the SPY calls right near the end of the day. We made a nice quick profit on those. And we did another trade as well. Forget what it was, but really great. Oh, nice. We got a boxer with us. Welterweight champion in the room today, Harold Calderon. Welcome. Nice to have you with us, buddy. Let's make some money today. I got to come down and see one of your matches. Fran keeps asking me to come down. It's just I've been so busy up here lately, opening the trading academy, had some people down here, but I'm going to be coming down. I'm going to see your next match. Market's continuing to break lower here. Just watching the markets up above. Now see, the Diamond ETF got right down to the 50 SMA. Take a look at this. So, Diamond, what are we doing? You guys know our trade plan. Breakout momentum, here it is. Let's take a look. Breakout momentum, we got the 10-20 cross, SMA's clustering, and then we finally got the breakout above the 10-20-50 SMA. Now we're in breakout momentum. Now what we have to decide, are we going to retrace and have support at the 10, 20, or 50 SMA? Right here, it's been using the 10, 20, coming out, breaking out, pulling back down to that 20, breaking out. Right here, it came back down to the lower band of the channel, broke out. Nice breakout here, and these are the moves you want to catch from 279 all the way up to 287. And you could catch these with our trade plan. And then what happens? The first candle below the previous candle's body, that's your exit if you're in a short-term trade less than 30 days out. If you got 90 days or more, you're going to wait for the bounce off the SMA there, and that's when you could add on the position. Now BDM, now breakout momentum, we have the yellow 10 SMA, we have the blue 20, and the red 50. Now in BDM, as you guys can see, here's the SMA cluster, and this is signifying a market reversal here, a move lower. We got the 10 crossing below the 20, 10 crossing below the 50, 20 crossing below the 50, and we have our first large candle below the 10, 20, and 50 SMA. So when that happens, what we're doing then, we're watching the BDM cycle, which is a breakdown momentum cycle, and we're watching it retrace, get down to support, climb back up to that 10 SMA, and then fall lower. Okay, that's what we're looking for now with the market, and we have to see if we're going to continue to break out or continue to break down here. And that's why patience and discipline is extremely important, because we have the trade plan that does really well. So what we have to do now, watch the markets, see what's going on with the market conditions, internal markets, and see what's going on with the global economy and the coronavirus. Those are two big things right now. GDP is going to be hampered by the coronavirus, that's for sure. They already lowered GDP expectations, so that's why we had such a sharp sell-off last week. And you guys see, the previous week we made money as the market was going higher. Last week we made money as the market was dropping lower. Last week we made over $13,000 in a single week. And now this week we're waiting for that setup. And once we do see that good setup where either we're getting up to that 10 SMA and then start to fall again, which we buy puts then, or if we break that 10, or if we have another big climb like yesterday, that's when we'd be doing a nice day trade there and taking advantage with a hedge with some calls and going long. But right now, the most important thing you guys have to realize is patience and discipline. Now, Gabe just brought up about HD. Let's take a look at HD. HD's up about 42 cents, 0.18%. Nice climb there on HD. This had a nice upgrade. This wouldn't be a bad trade to jump into and get up to 235.
Popping here 2025, the IRT. MITO, Stealth Biotherapeutics, getting a pop here, $3.05. Michael India Tango Oscar, company earlier reported FDA pediatric disease rare pediatric disease designation for.
A lot of news coming out today in the background, as you guys could hear.
Shares now popping here on heavy volume. MITO, $3.28. Michael India Tango Oscar.
Look at that break out there. Do I want to run after that Mito, Stealth Biotherapeutics, or not? I was going to put an order in for 1,000 shares, but I think I'm going to be fine without it. Let's see here. Which... Gilead. Guys, if you have any stocks you want me to take a look at, either in the trade room at breakingchartalerts.com, or you guys can go on the YouTube live here and comment or ask any questions you'd like. I'd be glad to help you. Let's take a look at Pfizer. There's some Pfizer option alerts coming in for the 35 straight calls. I definitely do like NVIDIA here, though. I was thinking about doing a NVIDIA trade for next week. Jeffrey Jasm says Clorox 180. We were looking at that yesterday. Look at that Mito go. Wow. 356 now. Up 83% for the day. Netflix put sweeps coming in. Look at Mito go. 376. I don't like the looks of Pfizer either. Let's see. Good morning, Eddie Santos.
MITO halted on a circuit breaker.
Hey, Geo Gaming, you guys can message us right. Let me give you guys the link in the YouTube chat here. And if you guys want to sign up, just message us right on this Facebook page. This is the new site. You guys, here's the link. I'm just posting that in the YouTube chat here. So feel free to click that link and message us on Breaking Chart Alerts Facebook page if you want to sign up, if you want classes, if you're interested in anything, training, let us know. Or if you have any questions, if you're a current member, that's fine. Alrighty, let's see. Kevin says look at NEM. Not a fan of it. Not a fan of that chart. Colin says, can we check out ZM, Zoom? That was upgraded this morning. That's probably going to have a nice breakout. I think they were upgraded to 120 a share this morning. Let's see what the option chain looks like for Zoom.
Adjusted net trading income between $230 and $240 million. That's VIRT. Victor India Romeo.
I think that's halted there, that Mito. Guys, look at how expensive these options are that expire in 3 days. Not a fan of this pricing. So when options are this expensive, what the best thing to do is go with a spread. Because I'm going to show you something really quick. Many of you guys were asking me, how do spreads work? So I'm going to do a quick little class here. You know, a 5-minute class, show you guys a call versus a spread and why you'd pick one over the other. What do you think of that? You want to do that quick? Let's see, Disney puts are doing well today. Diamond's in some serious BDM, down 300 points right now, guys. All right, you guys wanted to see about a spread now. So let me show you this. I want to show you exactly how this works so you guys can understand what's going on. Let's do Diamond, for example. All right. Let's take a look here. DIA. Let's plug that in the option chain. Mitos. Alrighty, so let's say you wanted to go with the March 6th Expo and you wanted to pick up the 264 strike put. Okay, that's going to cost you $515 for a single contract, right? But if we did something like this, did a spread, buy to open, sell to open, watch this. If we did a put...
Therapeutics granted U.S. patent, methods and compositions for treatment of cancer. That's ONTX, Oncanova Therapeutics. Oscar November, Tango X-ray.
ONTX. This one's going to get a big pop, guys. I'm going to jump in this. They were granted a thing on cancer. ONTX.
The low price stock, they had patent news. ONTX, Oscar November, Tango X-ray.
Jump in a little trade on that. I jumped in a small trade of 5,000 shares on ONTX there based on that news. Strictly a news-driven trade there. I got in at 47 cents. All right, now back to the Diamond. Alrighty, so like we were talking about here, if we did the regular put, it's going to cost over $500 for a single contract. But here, let's say we did the 260, let's say 265, 264 put spread. This is going to cost 45 cents to be worth $1. As long as Diamond is below 264, this would have max gain. It only needs to drop 33 points, and you're going to have that max gain. It's worth 40 cents now to be worth $1. That's what, 150% return. 1 divide that by 0.4. That's 150% return if you pick this up for 40 cents and you were able to sell it for $1 as long as it was below 264. So you can see, this is going to cost $43 for a single contract, $40 for a single contract, compared to that $515 for a single contract. What else is big is if you just got those puts here, these puts for the 264 strike, not only do you need it to drop down to 259 just to break even, for 100% gain, 259 minus 5, you needed a 254. So you need basically a 1,000-point drop here from now until March 6th to make a 100% return. Whereas we could have 100%, 150% return if it just dropped 70 points with that put spread. So that's why you have to really look and make sure that the options aren't too expensive. And, if they are, what are your other options? And usually your other options are something like doing a vertical put spread, a vertical call spread, and utilize those spreads when the volatility has increased and the options have become really expensive. Let's see.
Fed says to cut target federal funds.
All right, I sold those shares of ONTX, locked in that profit on that. Done on ONTX.
Remains strong, but coronavirus poses evolving risk to economic activity. FOMC is closely monitoring developments.
There goes Gilead, guys, on the climb here. Came all the way down to 72.70. Now, big climb here on Gilead. Breaking $74 a share, 74.01 and climbing. Let's see it break that 50 SMA on the today 1-minute chart and continue to run. There she goes, 74.15 and climbing. There goes ONTX there. I sold that a little bit early, but I made a quick $60 on it. And I didn't want that volatility. There she goes, still on the climb. Gilead on the climb, 74.24, 74.25, 74.30, continuing to break out there. Let's see what the Diamond ETF is doing here, see what the markets are doing. Dow is climbing huge here based on that rate cut. Huge news, huge.
Futures up 60.50 now. Dow futures up 462.
Dow futures up 400. Look at that. Wow. There was just a 600-point climb there from the low to the high. That's unbelievable.
Rate cut 50 basis points.
Rate cut 50 basis points, guys. Yes, I see that official MCC. Unbelievable. AMD upgraded. Let's see, Gilead continue to run there. Let's see what Visa and Square are doing now. Quick, we could probably pick something up on the downside here. Let's take a look at Visa and Square. Visa's getting a nice breakout here as well. All the way down to 188 today. Now at 193. So 5-point climb there. Square's continuing to break 79.22. I think we could do a nice little trade on Square and look for a short-term swing trade maybe today or tomorrow's expo. 79.50 strike going for about $1.15.
Adoption, tripling employee workplace electric vehicle charging, availability across the U.S. and Canada. That's GM, General Motors.
Look at Visa continuing to run there, guys. Nice chart on Visa. Here comes a 1020 cross. MACD already crossed. If you're not in Visa, nice opportunity to enter into Visa here. Markets are climbing, looking good. Let's take a look at Qualcomm. Qualcomm had a huge breakout from $80 all the way up to almost $82.50. Let's take a look 3-month daily. This is looking good here. I think this is going to continue to run. There goes Visa, heading for 194. Qualcomm would be a nice trade up to 87.50. So we could capture a quick 5-point gain on Qualcomm and have a nice little run there. I'm holding my Disney puts, yeah. I'm not going to sell those yet. And remember, Disney, we have the May 15th Expo. So if anything, I might add to Disney. We got to see what's going on with the coronavirus, and that's going to decipher a lot about what we do with Disney. Geo Gaming asks what I think of Rio. Geo asks about Rio. Let's see. Wait until it breaks that 10. If it breaks 51, then let me know about it, and we might enter. Right now, Visa's climbing there. Let's take a look at Qualcomm. Right now, you want to look at the best of breed. I don't want to look at Rio. I don't want to look at anything other than the best of breed. Because right now, the markets are so volatile, we could capture quick gains. And I want that I want that volume there. We need that volume. Guys, our Visa trade's now in the green.
U.S. Treasury yields rise.
We have a profit on our Visa trade, guys.
More than 2 points.
Nicely done. Nicely done. Oracle's having a nice climb here as well. Take a look at Oracle, ORCL. Another nice climb on Oracle there. She might get back up to that resistance right around 53. Just keep an eye on the market, guys. I don't have AbbVie. I don't know who's asking about AbbVie, but ABBV. AbbVie is looking really great, though. I like that chart setup. I like it up to 95. Gilead's looking great. I'm telling you, Gilead's going to be a heck of a trade there. I really like that setup on Gilead. That MITO, M-I-T-O, halted on a circuit breaker again. Let's take a look at MITO quick. There goes Visa. Nice climb there on Visa, breaking out, getting up to 194. Let's see it break 194 and quickly get up to 195 and 200 by the end of the week, I think. But even if we get a rate cut, that means the economy is slowing down, and that's just preventive measures there they're trying to do to prevent a further slowdown. So I think it's really important to realize why they're cutting the points there, why they're cutting the rates. There goes Visa again. Our Visa trade's in the green. Oh, and that trade alert, I think I said what our target was, what our stop was, and then I always announce it in here when I exit a trade. I share with you guys what we do each day as far as the pictures go, and share everything with you guys in the live trade room. All within the first half hour of the day. So it's an exciting day today, guys. A lot going on. So, guys, please give this video a like and share it on social media. We only got 44 likes here. Smash that like button, subscribe to us, and hit the bell to get notifications when we go live or when we upload new videos or classes. Futures pulling back now from the highs. Nice thing we didn't jump in anything. Like I said, patience and discipline. Volatility's here. We could capture runs. It's just you got to wait for the right timing. You know, we've made thousands. We made over $50,000 this year already. So, just got to keep an eye on these markets. Visa's pulling back there from the highs of 194, back down to 192.53. I need to get a quick tissue here. Let's see, Dan. Jorge, I think it is. I think we have a really weak economy right now. Also, you know what? Being an employee or an employer here, you really get an understanding of what's going on, because when the economy is strong, I don't get many messages about jobs or anything, but the last week I've been getting so many messages about people wanting jobs. Karen Decker saying Clorox is taking off again. Let's take a look at Clorox CLX. Oh, Clorox is looking great there. I think that's easily going to get up to 180 like that guy in the trade room said. This is a nice opportunity here. Geo Gaming asks, Dave, is breaking chart alerts for education or trade alerts? It's for both. If you're a professional trader on the website, the professional trader membership, there's 3 tiers, 3 different types of trading subscriptions. So if you're a professional trader, it includes classes, it includes a trade room, it includes trade alerts, and it includes our trading app. So if you guys are interested, go to www.breakingchartalerts.com. If you're not a professional trader, you want to upgrade, we could easily do that. I got the team in place that can make that happen. So just message us on our Facebook business page or message me, or whatever you need to do. Just let me know and we could certainly help you guys out. I like how Visa, as of right now, is holding that 10. That's looking really good there. Clorox is a nice opportunity. I can't say anything bad about Clorox. It's also a great consumer staple stock here for when the markets do pull back. And they're not too expensive either. Let's see if we went out with the March 20th. 175. You know, it's so tough for me to go long now knowing what's going on. Yeah, the $30 a month package really is only going to get you the post on that breaking charts page. That's not going to get you much there. Minimum trader membership. If you like the live videos and the classes, go with the professional trader membership. Right here, guys, you know. So breaking charts, that's just going to give you that $30 package. The trader package is going to give you this tab, the live trade room, and the trade alerts. And then the professional trader package is going to give you everything going across here. The live trading videos and the PM session, morning session, and the classes, along with the trade alerts and the trading app. And so you guys could feel free to sign up. All you have to do is go to join now if you wanted to join. And you could sign up here. And guys, remember, this is the last week for the promo code LOYAL, LOYAL. You would use that. You would go down here, professional trader. Instead of being $2,000 a month, $2,000 times 0.7. It's only going to be $1,400 for the year there, which is about $116 a month it comes out to. So if you want to get signed up, that's the best deal. This promo code LOYAL is going to be ending soon. Alrighty, back to trading. And if you guys have any questions, messages, anything like that, here is the link to Breaking Chart Alerts business Facebook page, and you guys can message us right on there. Let's see what Gilead's doing here. There's the first candle below the 10 SMA on Visa.
Mazda reporting February sales results.
Put sweeps coming in AMD. Puts coming in Microsoft. Susquehanna upgrades Pulte Group to positive, raises target of 51. That's PHM. Full Fed statement on coronavirus risks and rate cut. Target's conference call. We expect to begin growing annual per share dividend at a somewhat faster rate in the years ahead. That's nice news for Target. Let's take a look at Target quick. Gilead's right around $74. Yeah, I agree. Markets are still weak, you know. Although the Dow's only up 41 points now. Are you kidding me? Let's take a look at that volatility. Look at that pop there and then that retracement. Good thing you didn't jump in here and start going long. And that's what I mean about patience and discipline. You guys see, I'm not eager when, oh, there's a rate cut, let me jump in. You have to understand the markets. You have to see what's going on. You have to know the circumstances of why the market is doing what it's doing. If they're cutting interest rates, that means our economy is slowing. Our economy is hurting, and there's something going on. And you guys know that something is the coronavirus. And there's a lot of fear in the markets right now. So I do not expect to see the markets hit any new highs for any any time to come in the next few months here, you know. Not until the coronavirus is gone. After the coronavirus is gone, I'll probably start going long again and start doing some in-the-money vertical spreads for a month out. There's big spreads, Mike Francic. Mike says, I see lots of options with big bid-ask spreads. What is this? Volatility? That's volatility, and that's the spread. First off, the brokerage firms gets to keep that money between the, whatever you get filled at, the bid and the ask. And that's why we're seeing those big swings now, Mike. When you have these big swings, volatility is going to increase. Those option premiums are going to climb like crazy. And that's when you want to look at something like a put spread or a vertical call spread. The spreads are the best thing when the volatility increases and those option premiums go higher. That's the best opportunity there with spreads then. But then you have to get the right expiration dates, because you could really get a wrong expiration date and really screw yourself. So it's really important to know what you're doing, know your expo dates, know why you're getting into that trade, what's the catalyst, what's your stop, what's your target, know them, write them down in your trading journal, and follow that trade plan. You can't see that screen there? Let me move it over for you a little bit. There you go. Could you see a little better now, Mackenzie? Guys, hit that like button, please. Disney's diving again. We have our profits on Disney. You guys were asking about selling Disney before. When it had that pop, I said absolutely not. $3 drop in Disney since that.
ONPX, Onconova Therapeutics, spiking here, 52 cents, up 13% now. ONPX.
ONTX. I sold it at 48 cents. It's now 53 almost. Look at that breaking out there, that ONTX. She wants me to go over more with it. You should be. Could you guys see that symbol right here in the top? Should be able to see it fine there, but if you guys have any problems, let me know.
mRNA, Moderna, April 36 call sweep in Moderna. Michael Romy, November Alpha, currently 2705. That's mRNA, Moderna.
Moderna. Let's see, what's Gilead doing here? Gilead pulling back as well there. OSTK Qualcomm.
IDBX,
Thanks, Kevin.
Some big volume now after company announcing Meg sales subsidiary to open a 100,000 square meter facility in city of Qingdao. That's IDBX.
I'd really love to see that next dive here on the cruises. Let's see, what's Delta doing since Warren Buffett added to his position there? Moa Betty said, Dave, can you look at UPS? Sure, let's take a look. UPS getting up to that 10, failing. Gas prices are almost below $2. I went to the gas station this morning and gas was at $2.10 a gallon. That's unbelievable. $2.10. I remember when Bush was in office and it got up to $5 or $6 a gallon. Never forget that. I was in college at the time. I couldn't even afford to fill up my gas tank. Let's see. Aurora Minerals reports file draft on preliminary prospectus draft with Brazilian Securities Commission for IPO in Brazil. Macy's put sweeps coming in. Wells Fargo puts coming in. Moderna call sweeps coming in. S&P futures rallied 90 points following news of emergency 50 rate cut, now selling off sharply from the high, down 51 points from session high. I think we're going to continue to see the market sell off here, guys. No doubt about that.
Mnuchin says number one concern is the health impact on communities of the coronavirus, not the economic impact. Mnuchin says we'll look at all options to help areas of the economy impacted by the coronavirus. Maxar Technologies popping to the high 1680, up 13% following their earnings report. MAXR.
Little pop there on Diamond. Let's see what Visa's doing over here to the left. I don't like UPS there. I was watching it for a bit. I do like the chart on Visa, though. I think this is going to continue to climb.
Getting another pop here, 54 cents.
Oh, that ONTX is still rising at 54 cents now, up 18% for the day. Should have held on to it. Woodzilla says, how can I have a spread fully in the money, yet it's running a big loss? Is that IV doing that? First off, if you could share a picture in the trade room so I can make sure you place that order correctly, I'd appreciate that. Secondly, there's always big differences between spreads. I could go over that with you, but please post a picture of it in the trade room so I can take a look and make sure you did it the right way. That's really important. I'll never forget a few years ago on Santarelli Exchange, I had a member that did a spread. We did a spread, and he was totally new to spreads, and he put sell to open and buy to open, or sell to open and sell to, I don't know what the heck he did, but that guy, just from placing the order wrong, he lost like $8,000. And then he's like, why isn't this spread making money? You guys are making money and my spread's going down. And he totally did the opposite trade of us just by doing a sell to open instead of a buy to open and things like that. So it's really important. If you guys don't know spreads, take a class. I could teach you guys the details of the trade plan. I could teach you how calls, puts, spreads work, how to utilize them in different market conditions. You know, I really go into detail with my students. So if you need that help, sign up for our class or sign up for the Professional Trader yearly package, and that'll include that. And glad to help you guys. Just ask me. I can't read minds, so if you guys ask or if you share some data in the trade room, that's great, because I could review it, I could see if you guys did things properly, and I could certainly help you guys out.
HCN, TriMed reporting full year results. BTIQ, Vector IQ acquisition, getting up top here. Company beginning trading today with Nikola Corporation merger into the company now at 1186, up about 16% for BTIQ. Again, that merger with Nikola Corporation.
Nice climb there, holding that 10 on Diamond. Now here's consolidation, guys. Take a look at Diamond. This is what you're looking for. Take a look quick before it starts to break out. Okay, so what you're looking for here is... There is your consolidation box on the Diamond ETF. So what you're doing here, you're looking for a candle with the body above or below it for your entry or your exit or puts, whatever. Let me get this right down to that wick of that candle right there. That's perfect consolidation box on Diamond ETF. So if it breaks above it, look for it to get back up to that 271. Breaks below it, 266. And that's a 200-point move down or a 300-point move up. And that's just from following the consolidation box. Now look at what's happening. Now take a look, watch, and keep an eye on it. See what happens. No, I'm still here. Sometimes I put it on mute there when I have to blow my nose or do something. I have the sniffles, so I'm still here. I had it on mute there and I was talking, but what I was trying to say is that first candle that dropped below that consolidation box, and when it was at 268, dropped all the way down to 266. That's a 200-point drop there just from watching our trade plan and seeing it break below that consolidation box. I didn't get into the trade, but I want to share with you guys how that works, how it, how you enter into some puts when you break down below that consolidation box, get into some calls when you break above. There's so many different things that you guys need to be watching here. And like I said, the classes do that. Or if you guys need help, just ask me. My biggest thing, I hate seeing people lose money by doing things because they weren't taught properly or they don't know how to do something. Like if you guys don't know how to trade spreads, ask me. I'm glad to help you. And that's what the trade room's for. You know, ask questions there after we're done with the live video and before we go live in the afternoon trading session. Ask in the trade room. I'd be glad to do a little class with you guys. I'm here to help, and whatever I could do, I'd be happy to assist. Eric, I hope not. Eric Rancourt says, "Did you pick up the virus while at Disney last night?" You guys know I'm really freaky about this virus. You know, I have a horrible immune system. I get sick really easily, so I don't like going to public places, you know, during this coronavirus outbreak. But my family's like, "Come on, let's go to Disney Springs." Went there. Not many people there, but you know, Sophie's already sick. Dropped her off at school this morning. She's sick. Just hope we're not getting the flu. I want to see the markets do something here, guys. I'm looking at the watch list.
Highs now, $17.27. Silver up more than 3%. Gold futures about 2.25%, 16.3140. GNMK, Genmark Diagnostics, getting a pop here, $4.97.
Guys, are you guys having more problems with Robinhood today? I have more people commenting that they still can't do things today, even though they said it was fixed. I like Gilead. I don't know if it's going to hit 80 by the end of this week now, but I definitely like Gilead. If we look at the 3-month, 6-month daily, it's just starting that breakout. I definitely think we're going to see 80 within the next 30 days here.
Headline circulating, no confirmation yet. It says New York investigating 5 new cases of the coronavirus.
Wow, New York investigating 5 new cases of coronavirus.
No confirmation on that.
Unbelievable. Gold is continuing to rip higher. What the heck did I just do?
Gilead, NIH official, says, Fauci says we should know within several months whether or not Gilead's antiviral coronavirus treatment works. Implementation.
Gilead news, guys.
That's Gilead, Alpha India Lima Delta. World Bank says plans to announce package of financial and technical support to help with impact on the coronavirus.
Still pretty flat. Diamond's holding above the 10, 20, and 50 right now, so that's very positive. But still holding off on any trades as of right now.
S&P futures moving back to above 3,100.
Karen Decker asks if I'm still in the gold trade for January 15th Expo. I am still in that trade. That was from a while ago, this trade alert. But we're still in it. I don't know what it's priced at now. Let's see. Okay, so right now it's at 216 by 235. Would really like to see Visa climb here. I like the looks of this wedge. Nice looking wedge holding above that 50. 50 is acting as support on the today 1 minute chart for Visa. Nice chart there on Visa. That's going to be a nice setup on Visa. If we could break, let's say 190, let's just say 194. If we could break 194, this is going to be a really nice setup and can get right back up to 200 if we break 194.
Mnuchin says this will have short-term impact on U.S. economy, very different from the 2008 financial crisis. Gold now up $45.70.
Gold continuing a nice run here, guys. Take a look at gold.
Silver also making new highs, about 4.25% now on silver. President Trump says the Fed is cutting, but must further ease and, most importantly, come into line with other countries and competitors. We are not playing on a level field, not fair to the USA. It is finally time for the Fed to lead more
Trump tweeting, making crazy tweets again. So if Trump's making crazy tweets, he's upset about something because he's worried about something. So, the economy is suffering a bit. Saying he wants us on level playing field, which I agree. It'd be nice to see rates drop a little bit more. Gold trade is up $900 today, Mark Ludman. There was Gilead news as well.
Says big difference in policymaker discussions of virus compared to even G20 meeting in Riyadh last week.
These are nice charts. Two nice charts right here. Gold and Visa. I like those. Dow's continuing to climb here. Slowly, steadily. Let's see. Marty V says, "Hi, Dave, other folks. This trading looks so complicated to me as I haven't traded before. I tried to watch your videos and got bit idea, but again, not very clear. Do you recommend anything for absolute beginners like me or step-to-step education?" Marty. Nice call sweeps coming in on Gilead. They were doing at the bid, though. Gilead, National Institute for Health head Fauci says we should know within several months whether Gilead's antiviral coronavirus treatment works. And he sees implementation imminent afterward. That's big news for Gilead, guys. Big news. More puts coming in on Carnival Cruise Lines. Marty, I posted in the YouTube chat there for you. You asked about our trading classes and about our professional trading membership. That includes everything. That includes classes, trade challenge, trade alerts, our trading app, our live trade room, and live morning video, live PM video, and our group trading classes. So That includes everything. If you're new, that package will definitely help you. And also, if you sign up for the professional trader membership, it includes a one-on-one with me if you're a new trader to help you get started and set up. Marty, if you sign up for the professional trader membership, I'll do a one-on-one class with you today if you'd like and help you get set up so you could get started trading. Here is the link for it. Where did I put it? Here we go.
FDA Commissioner Hahn says labs in Washington and California have used FDA-approved emergency coronavirus testing approach.
Ragu, why do you keep saying Bob there? You keep saying Bob. What times do you do live trading daily in addition to this morning hour? I'm Dave. So I am live in the morning from 9:30 to 11, and then live in the PM session from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. So 2 hours, an hour and a half in the morning and 2 hours in the afternoon. And then in between that, I'm in the live trade room on the website, www.breakingchartalerts.com. Guys, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to get notified if you guys want to know when we go live and anytime we upload new content. No problem, Ragu. No problem, Marty. Happy to help you. Just get signed up because that promo code LOYAL is going to be ending. It did end, but I had a few people that wanted to use that promo code that got mad. We ended it abruptly. And so we made it live again. So it's only going to be live for the rest of this week. So use that promo code LOYAL. Get signed up for the professional trader membership. And we're going to be live at 2 p.m. on the website for the professional traders on this tab right here. So if you're signed up, you go right here, professional trader, 12 months, $2,000. But if you use promo code LOYAL right here, LOYAL, then it's only going to cost $1,400. Cancel anytime. And then at the PM session, you would click here, live trading video and classes, and that's going to take you here. Here was our live video yesterday. That was from the PM session, and then they'll all be archived here for you to watch. Our classes are going to be held on the weekends, Sunday, 7 p.m., and they'll all be over here archived. The live trading daily videos will be over here to the left. And anytime we're live, it's going to go right here. So, and you'll get a notification on the trading app. So like I said, click here, join now. The trade challenge is incredible as well here. You go to the trade challenge, you're going to have access to the spreadsheet, see all the trades that we're in. Once we get into that, it's going to be really great here. So keep an eye on that, and let's continue. This portfolio balance started with 25,000. It's now at 53,404. Over 100% return. Profit loss of 28,000. That's just from this year. And that's all these trades here. Big wins, some losses, everything is here. And you guys can see that's amazing. That's incredible. All the trades here. Tom did a great job doing that. And that's what you're going to get. And with the trading app, you're going to get instant notification of anything. So that's the trade challenge. Here's trade ideas. And so you guys could quickly go to this page here, see any of the trade ideas we talked about, any of the trades we're in, and then you could go to our trade alerts. And if you want more detailed info, here you go. You click on this, and here is the trade alert. And it gives you the target, the stop, and why we entered into that trade. And it's really nice. There's so much to offer there, and you guys have everything. And here's the live trade room. I'm going to be in the live trade room in 5 minutes here, and we'll be going over things, what's going on in the market right here. So that's really great. If you guys aren't signed up, get signed up. And then we post our videos here. RRL's asking about Square. Let's take a look at Square. I'm still in Square. I have the March 20th Expo, the 83 strike call. I'm down 60% on Square. But as I told you, I like Square. I like the trend here. So this is what I'm watching. Let me just draw a channel for this time being here. So that right here is specifically that right there is specifically what I'm looking for. If we get a candle with a body below that, I would exit. And then if we get a bounce tomorrow, might be a good add. But I'm watching that. See the outer and inner bands of this channel. That's really important there. Guys, 146 viewers, only 60 likes. If you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up, and please share on social media. Click subscribe and click the bell to get notified anytime we're live or upload new content. That's what I'm looking for with Square, though. I'm only about $2,000 off all-time highs here in this account for the year. And when you guys see, we had a big year. We're up about $50,000 already this year. Square is kind of in the NTZ. It's just going along with the market. If it dropped below, let's say 76.70, I'd exit. If it has a climb tomorrow, I'd be adding.
Official, Gilead says by the end of this week, all the U.S. state public health labs should be able to do coronavirus testing.
They're saying they're going to be able to do more coronavirus testing later on this week.
WHO now holding a press conference.
Efron, they're not going to be able to access that if they're not a member of TSE. And also, it's all on YouTube there.
The CDC has recommended. That's TGT target.
Bob says, come on, guys, how tough is it to pop that like button? I agree, Bob. 143 viewers, 64 likes. Hit that like button, click subscribe, and click the bell to get notified. We had a huge week, guys. Take a look. I'm going to share with you something here. This is what patience and discipline does. This is just for the month of February. For February alone, February 1st to February 29th, up $37,993.52. Now, let me show you guys what we did today. And I'll show you guys what we did today so far.
Daily briefing.
Gold's still continuing to pop there, almost up $1,000 on our gold trade. Gilead still wants to climb, not doing too much yet though.
In just a bit.
Here's what we did for the month of March already. Not too much, but we're only 2 days into March, right? Monday and Tuesday. So not bad. Here's what we did for March already. March 1st to March 3rd, which really it's only March 2nd to March 3rd since yesterday was Monday. Markets were closed Sunday. But in just 2 days, we already made $2,024.44 realized profit. Here was the opening transactions. Here's the closing transactions. All nice winners going down there. ONTX was today. And our SPY calls we sold today for $475. And this trade right here is what we got in the PM session for the professional trader members on the website, breakingchartalerts.com. So, nice afternoon session yesterday as well. But
Powell says the U.S. economy remains strong.
Powell says the U.S. economy remains strong. Visa wants to continue to run. I'd really like to get into a Visa trade. I might get into a Visa trade in the afternoon session today.
Powell says that last meeting prospects for growth remain favorable.
Ragu said he just signed up. Welcome with us. Good to have you.
53,013 units. That's a 16% increase for Hyundai. Powell says the coronavirus outbreak will weigh on the economy for some time. Says economic impact remains uncertain. Powell says FOMC judged the risk to the outlook has changed materially. WHO says COVID
Visa's getting a nice pop again.
easily as influenza.
Ragu, welcome. Welcome, welcome.
Powell says the Fed will act as appropriate to support the economy. Powell now taking questions.
Alrighty, guys, I'm going to go live in the trade room right now at breakingchartalerts.com. If you guys aren't signed up yet, please go to the website. Go to breakingchartalerts.com. Get signed up. Go to join now. And guys, promo code LOYAL is ending this week. Right here, you put in promo code LOYAL. You go down here, professional trader, sign up, and it takes you right through the PayPal portal system, and you guys can get signed up immediately. Alrighty, and if you use that promo code, it's not going to be $2,000 for you guys being with us. We're giving 30% off with promo code LOYAL, so it's only going to be $1,400. And then once you join, come to the live trade room, and we're going to be in here waiting for you. And then the live trading session in the afternoon is going to be right here on the live trading video and classes. And you only have access to this tab if you're a professional trader. So get signed up, guys, and I'm going to get off of here and see you guys in the trade room. And if you guys want to join, just come to breakingchartalerts.com, and here is the link. I just posted on the YouTube chat right here. We are looking good for the day here, and I'm looking forward to making some more trades here in the afternoon session. So great job today, guys. I will see you guys in the trade room, and let's make some money today. Looks like it's going to be a volatile week, so we should be able to easily have a nice week again. Yeah, welcome to the team, Raghu. Nice to see you sign up. And we got a trade room now full of members, so let's get in there and look at some trade ideas. So I'll see you guys in there. Get signed up. www.breakingchartalerts.com. Promo code LOYAL, all capital letters. Sign up for that professional trader yearly package if you want the classes included and the live PM trading sessions. Alrighty, guys. Take care and God bless. I'll see you in the live trade room. Bye-bye.